All right, so one thing I've heard people saying about their Z Fold 3 is that you have to press the power button in order to get into the device. Well, ultimately, all you have to do really is turn on this function where it leaves the power button active at all times. So go into biometrics, and you go to fingerprints, and you put in your code. And then right here, you want to check this second box right here that says fingerprint always on. Wake and unlock your phone by just touching the side key. Turn this on for quick access, turn it off to avoid accidental finger scans. So that is the first tip that I'm going to give people for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. This is something that you really should turn on, because if you don't want to have to go into your press the power button in order to get into your phone, you can absolutely just leave it on like that and it'll have quick access to the power button for the fingerprint reader. So there it is. First tip, first trick for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3.